Hold on, here. Hold on, let me fix it. Alright, John, say something. John, say something to Ben. Hurry, he wants to do it. He's doing that. John! I know you can hear me, just you're not saying anything. You're laughing, dude. Just say something. He's literally complaining. He's about to mute me. Because of your videos.
I'm literally about to DDoS you. Wait, I hear John's video?
Yeah, John's playing a video on
Are
YouTube.
you kidding me? I'm listening to a video through a call.
Don't suck Johnny's toe.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard him say that he's gonna suck my toe. My
Oh,
big
sorry,
one, to be
it's
exact.
like John's thing.
Yeah, I mean, I just don't understand what you're saying. You sound like a muffled cat.
Alright, there you go. It's better.
But it still sounds like AIDS, but I mean.
What are you talking about? How does it sound like AIDS? I literally removed my ear cup.
Are you sure that you did?
Unless my ear is on my cheek, yeah. I think I did.
You're somewhat better, but you still sound like you're at 120 FPS, so, yeah. Anyhow, can you invite me? I've been waiting here for like 20 years.
How do you get invites, by the way, like on Rocket League?
Yeah. That is how it works.
No, because don't you get like Steam invites too?
If you bought the
Somebody else
game on
can.
Steam when it was still on Steam, yes.
Wait, how can you buy it now?
It's on EA or Epic Games or whatever the fuck it's called. I don't even whatever it is. I bought it on Steam. So and Matt also bought it on Steam. So whenever he invites me, it like spams me on Steam. It might still be on Steam. I'm not sure. I just know that most people buy it through Epic Games.
Yeah, Danny.
Yeah.
Ariana said her brother might try to fight John or something, or like tell the office, but then
Wait,
because
fight
like
John?
he was
For
like
what?
yeah, exactly. That's what we both said. We were like, wait, we
Dude, her
what?
family is like literally. I feel like they're still cavemen. They're not fully evolved. What are they talking about?
Danny just said he feels like their family is like cavemen, like they're not fully evolved.
Like they're like, oh yeah, I'll buy you a vape. Oh yeah, sure. The mom's like fine with it, and then they're just like talking about fighting John. John didn't do anything.
No, for
I'm
like
so
making fun of
confused.
Claire, even though like yeah, but Claire was like telling her parents, like Ariana said, like Claire told the parents today, like literally earlier, that John called her an idiot, which never happens, and John even said that himself.
And even if it did, so
And
what? Are we in second grade?
and then and then Claire was like, and I'll tell him to shut up, even though he's not talking to me.
Wow, I didn't know that we were in preschool. I really like this situation. It's pretty fucking hot. Gonna fight John over saying shut up or idiot. I wasn't really paying attention. It just sounded too dumb to listen to. But yeah, John is pretty sexy. But yeah, if they're willing to fight John, I mean, I'll join in. I'll help. I'll help them beat the crap out of John.
Oh, here we're talking about like you'll help John.
Oh no, no, no.
Okay.
Are we gonna like play a game, or am I just gonna like keep listening to your muffled cat speak into the mic? Like, I feel like you don't understand how like cancer you sound right now. I, it's so bad. Your AirPods might be broken because like you just sound like an idiot.
They're not broken. I think it's just Discord because when I answered the call, literally it said there was no call going on in the Discord app.
Wait, hold on.
And then when I
Speak
tried
into
to
your
talk,
phone.
I just couldn't hear you or me.
Wait, speak into your phone. I want to see if it's using your phone speaker.
If it was using my phone speaker, then my
Or
AirPods wouldn't be connected.
no, I mean your phone might, because Discord does that sometimes. Just like, do you have your phone next to you?
Yeah.
Try and speak like into the bottom of it.
Hello?
Yeah, that sounded clear. Now speak into your AirPods. Scott?
I said hello?
Oh, yeah, it's going out of your phone. You just didn't say anything. Okay. It's actually a really easy fix. We'll do it after this round.
Get technician. You know, it's actually a really easy fix. We'll do this after that.
It'll cost you about $250.
Do it, oh good.
Yeah.
That's about $250.
Yeah, you're good.
I got your back, Daddy. It's coming again?
Same.
Okay, that was a loud shit.
To be fair. Oh, never mind. That guy's at 127,000 thing. I had like 3 boosts, so.
You can just double jump and hit
Okay,
it.
you know I don't know how to do this. Technical terms, I think.
It's literally like flipping, but you just don't flip. You just press the jump button twice. Okay. That kid just jizzed on my case and me too. Oh, thank you for jizzing on him. Oh, I jizzed on him even more. He's getting suffocated by jizzing. He's our jizz napkin.
Oh, he's our jizz sock? Nice. Wow.
I try to free flip it.
Yeah, that was good.
Shut your god dang. Can you hear me?
Me? Whoops. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so good. Oh. I feel like an SSL. Okay.
Oh, now you're using my terms. I don't know those technical terms. Not an SSL.
Your terms. Okay, you can call it your term when you're an SSL. Use those. Okay.
It's like the same way.
Like literally the exact same spot. That guy was really good. My gosh.
I might pass it way to him. I meant to hit it in the middle, but
Like, I wasn't even trying to fake him, I just wanted to boost, and he nutted in the slime ball's mouth.
he just casually left the ball and went for boost, and he just busted it.
Nah, but like, for real.
We're just both going after him. Oh. Hit it to me? Oh, it's okay. Dude, this kid's ankles is non-existent. Okay.
Oh! Well, that's just not how logic works at all. Hey, you stole my mini boost, you
Hit the
faggot.
ceiling, come back to me. Oh my god, I completely fucking whiffed it. Off the thing, jump, hit it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that shit was amazing.
Well,
Whoa! Did you just see that?
no.
It's just green guy right here. Okay. I'm quite sad, to be honest.
You're sus. See, that was embarrassing. Oh, I got nutted on by a black guy. Dude, I feel bad for these guys, like, actually, though. Alright, so go on to your phone,
Yeah.
and then, like, obviously on Discord, and then buy a PC. No, I'm playing. Go to,
It's got AirPods. It's got AirPods.
it says connected to Scott's AirPods.
What speaker is Scott's AirPods? Where else? Where do I go?
Hold up.
Hey, I got you, baby. Here, watch.
Can't you just, like, use your phone? Isn't it charged enough now?
There you go, baby.